Do you want stronger legs, even at 70, 80, or 90 years old? This video is your guide to senior leg strength and fall prevention. You might be noticing signs of age-related muscle loss. The medical term is sarcopenia. Standing up feels harder, climbing stairs leaves you tired, walking short distances feels like a workout. If you're searching for how to build muscle after 60 or natural ways to stop muscle decline, you're in the right place. This is not just aging, it's a fixable problem. Here's the great news. You can rebuild that strength and improve your mobility, starting with simple food changes at breakfast. Today, I'll share 6 simple foods that act as muscle repair fuel to make your legs strong and steady again. These are the best foods for seniors to build muscle. Make sure you watch until number 1, because it's a food you probably have now but aren't using the right way for maximum muscle benefit. First, tell me in the comments, how old are you? And how far can you walk easily right now?
Before we dive into the 6 foods, let's expose a simple truth about your body that most doctors overlook. The reason you lose strength isn't just about getting old. It's an urgent problem called sarcopenia, the rapid loss of muscle mass that speeds up after age 60. You're losing the foundation of your independence. When your legs weaken, your balance suffers. The risk of a fall goes up dramatically, and every step becomes a little less certain. But here's the powerful secret. Your body is ready to fight back. You don't need expensive pills or painful gym routines. The simple solution to reversing this muscle decline and improving your mobility is already in your kitchen. We've identified 6 common, simple foods that act like pure muscle repair fuel. And the best part is, they work faster than you think. You can start rebuilding strength, balance, and confidence right at your next meal. Don't go anywhere, because the first food on our list will surprise you with its hidden power.
Number 6. Sweet potatoes. Power for your legs. Our first strength food is the sweet potato. Think of sweet potatoes as the perfect long-lasting fuel for your leg muscles. Unlike eating white bread or simple sugars, which give you a quick energy spike followed by a crash, sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly and steadily into your bloodstream. This steady power is essential for everyday movements. It's what gives you the stamina for walking, for standing for a long time at the counter, or for climbing a flight of stairs without feeling suddenly drained. But they do much more than just provide fuel. Sweet potatoes are also packed with potassium and magnesium, 2 crucial minerals that are electrolytes. These electrolytes help your muscles talk to your brain, which is key for stopping painful, sudden leg cramps and reducing that feeling of tired, heavy legs after a small activity. To get the best results, you should bake, boil, or roast them with the skin on to hold in all those great nutrients. Try to have sweet potatoes 3 or 4 times a week.
Number 5. Oats. Energy that lasts all day. If you feel your energy always crashes before lunchtime, or if painful nighttime leg cramps wake you up, oats are your morning answer. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which works like a slow-release battery for your body. This fiber slows down digestion, which is important because it keeps your blood sugar and energy levels flat and steady. This simple change gives you more leg stamina for the whole day, preventing those energy dips that make you feel tired all over. Just like sweet potatoes, oats contain a good amount of magnesium, a natural muscle relaxant that can significantly reduce the frequency and intensity of those horrible night cramps. And as a bonus, consistent energy and better nutrient absorption contribute to a stronger core and leg muscles, which helps improve your balance. The best way to use oats is to simply eat oatmeal for breakfast. For extra strength, add a handful of berries and a spoonful of nuts or seeds.
Number 4. Avocados. Less stiffness. Next up is the avocado. Avocados are known for having wonderful healthy fats, the same good fats found in olive oil. These healthy fats are exceptional at reducing inflammation throughout your body, which is a major, often hidden cause of stiff and sore legs as you age. By reducing this internal swelling, avocados help your muscles feel less stiff when you first get up in the morning or after sitting for a long time. They also provide excellent amounts of potassium, which is a premier food for maintaining electrolyte balance. This helps your muscles relax, leading to fewer leg cramps and more comfortable movement overall. You don't need a lot of it. Just add half an avocado to your toast or put some cubes into a small salad a few times a week.
Number 3. Berries, protecting muscles and joints. Our fourth food is the small but mighty berry. Things like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. These little foods are loaded with powerful compounds that fight inflammation. Remember, inflammation is the hidden reason your legs feel sore, stiff, and achy. Berries help fight this by actively neutralizing the damage that causes muscle tissue to break down. They are constantly working to protect your muscles and joints from daily wear and tear. If you are trying to be more active or walk farther, berries are great because they help your muscles recover faster from physical activity, reducing soreness afterwards. And they provide another amazing benefit. The nutrients in berries are great for your brain, helping improve your memory and alertness, which indirectly leads to safer walking and better reaction time. All essential for fall prevention. A small handful of fresh or frozen berries every day is enough. Now, before we move on to our final 2 superfoods, a quick question for you. Which of these 3 foods, sweet potatoes, oats, or avocados, do you already eat? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one.
Number 2. Salmon. Rebuilds muscle and helps circulation. Our second to last food is salmon. Salmon is famous for its high content of omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats your body needs but can't make itself, making them critical for people over 60. For your legs, omega-3s work in 3 powerful ways. First, they are strong natural anti-inflammatories, which can significantly reduce chronic pain associated with arthritis and general muscle soreness. Second, they help keep your blood vessels healthy and flexible, which improves blood circulation to your legs and feet. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, making your legs feel stronger and lighter. Third, healthy fats are a great source of sustained energy for overall vitality. You don't need to eat it every day. Aim for just 2 or 3 servings a week of fatty fish like salmon or mackerel.
Number 1. Eggs. The best food for muscle repair. And finally, we come to number 1. The egg. Eggs are perhaps the simplest, yet most underestimated food for rebuilding leg strength, which is why most people don't use them to their full potential. The reason they are so powerful is that they are a complete protein. This means they contain every single building block your body needs to fix and grow new muscle. Eggs are especially high in an amino acid called leucine, which acts as the on switch for muscle growth. This makes them incredibly effective at rebuilding the muscle mass you lose due to aging. Consistent protein intake from eggs helps you maintain the lean muscle you need for better coordination, stability, and a reduced risk of falling. This is how they help improve your balance. Now for the secret part. Don't skip the yolk. While the white has the protein, the yolk contains essential vitamins and healthy fats that help your body absorb and use the protein for muscle repair most effectively. When you eat the whole egg, you get the maximum muscle repair benefit. Just 1 or 2 whole eggs a day, boiled, scrambled, or in an omelet, can help you stand up easier, walk farther, and feel more sure of yourself. Simple food, but truly big results.
The key to success is not to change everything at once. Small, consistent changes are what lead to strong legs. Choose just one habit to add to your routine this week. Start with oats with berries for breakfast. Try adding sweet potatoes with lunch or dinner. Commit to eating 1 or 2 whole eggs daily. Make a plan to have salmon twice this week. Or simply add half an avocado with any meal. Remember, small changes today will give you stronger legs tomorrow. Always remember, if you have any existing health conditions such as diabetes, high cholesterol, or kidney issues, please talk to your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet. If this information helped you on your journey to senior strength and independence, please take a moment to like the video, subscribe for more easy tips for seniors, and comment which foods will you try. Your comment helps our video reach more seniors who desperately need this advice. Stay strong, stay active, because every step you take is a step toward a longer, more independent life. Thank you for watching.